Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
Here's your weather video for this Sunday, October 13th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray, and it's a cool, basically cloudy morning across much of Alabama. A few light showers showing up over there in East Alabama, where we don't want them today. Folks are over at Talladega ready for the big race today. Temperatures generally in the 50s in areas that have seen thicker clouds overnight. Some areas in the variably cloudy area getting into the 40s. And over North Alabama, where we've had some clear skies overnight, temperatures in the 30s. A little bit of light fog up there around Florence this morning. Looking at the national map, seeing frost advisories all the way from eastern Arkansas, western Tennessee, through the Ohio Valley into southern New York. Even a few freeze advisories there in parts of Pennsylvania. Some coastal flood advisories for parts of the Chesapeake and Mid-Atlantic. And you see the wind advisories there in New England associated with departing tropical storm Melissa. And yes, that's right, Melissa attained tropical storms or tropical status yesterday. Had been a subtropical storm, but Melissa, just a shadow of her former self at this point. Not a very impressive cloud pattern, but weakening as it moves off to the east, away from the United States. Watching a couple of other disturbances, one just west of the Cape Verde Islands, another about to come off the coast of Africa. Getting a little bit late in the season for those to develop. Watching the Western Caribbean as well. That system will get into the Gulf of Mexico and could be a factor in Alabama's weather eventually, based on some new modeling data we've seen, which is not out of touch with what we've seen at times over the past week. This is the upper wind pattern over the United States, the 30,000-foot view, showing a strong upper-level low centered over southern Canada. Very fast winds to the south. If you were out last night looking up at the beautiful Hunter's Moon, you could see rapidly moving clouds from southwest to northeast, and that's going to be our problem later today. High pressure centered over western Pennsylvania, West Virginia, ridges all the way down into Arkansas, and that high pressure dome will be overrun by moisture from the southwest thanks to those strong, are rapidly moving southwesterly winds, lifting the moisture up and over the high pressure system and producing isentropic lift, which will produce showers. I think they come in two rounds. One later this morning, we're already seeing signs of that over East Alabama. These showers should be generally south of I-20. It could be a few showers, a little bit of light rain at the track, sprinkles from time to time. As far north as the Birmingham area, so kind of be ready for that. But as we go through the day and that upper flow pattern increases, I think in the vicinity of that weak front that's lying across south central Alabama, we'll see more showers developing through the day over north central Alabama, about a 40 to 50% chance of rain. There, it won't rain all day, but there could be periods of light rain and showers. Temperatures across the state today will look like this. We'll be in the upper 60s in northwest Alabama, generally around 70 the I-20 corridor. The further south you go, the warmer it gets. You get down to Dothan, they'll still be in the 80s. Now, going day by day based on the GFS, here's what we think will look like tomorrow. Should be a beautiful day. Temperatures nearly perfect. Upper 70s across central Alabama to near 80 down around Montgomery. But a good supply of sunshine. Should be a beautiful day in store for Monday. Now by Tuesday, you can see that upper low has sort of become a fairly significant trough, digging down into the Midwest. The upper flow over Alabama and the southern states begins to back to the west-southwest, and more moisture gets pulled up and over us. That front kind of comes back to the north sort of as a warm front, becomes sort of stationary over central Alabama, and then we'll see showers and thunderstorms developing. Now, to the south, I think we could see a strong thunderstorm or two. Instability values will be at least 500 joules per kilogram. Decent amount of wind shear in the atmosphere and the presence of that front, indicating that we might see a few strong to even possibly severe thunderstorms on Tuesday. We'll be watching that closely. The big news on Tuesday will be the beneficial rains. Widespread 1 to 2 inch amounts are expected across central Alabama on Tuesday. Rain won't be moving out until early Wednesday morning. Look there over the southwestern Gulf of Mexico, the Bay of Campeche. That disturbance that's now with the northwestern Caribbean could be getting its act together, potentially as a tropical depression or a tropical storm. And then we'll be watching to see if it moves into eastern Mexico or if a developing trough as the ridge retreats onto the east, a developing trough there over the Midwest could potentially pull this northward. This is off the 06Z run of the GFS, showing that system getting organized over the southwestern Caribbean and getting ready to move back to the north. Previous runs have carried it into Mexico. Some runs didn't develop it at all, but this is not out of the question because we've seen this on some of the model runs earlier in the week. Depression moving back to the north, high pressure over Alabama moving off to the east. This could open the door for the system to come into Louisiana by next Saturday. Now, if that happens, we'll be wetter here, and in any case, we'll see a front moving into the area, but there could be quite a range of difference in terms of timing on potential rain, whether it comes in Saturday, whether it comes in Sunday or Monday. This is Sunday morning off the new run of the GFS, showing those showers in the area. Looking for, not a widespread rain event. Even with that tropical system there, you'd think we'd see a little bit more rain than that, but we'll just have to see how it unfolds. The main front moves in by Tuesday evening, the 22nd. You can see another general widespread rain event for Alabama. We'll take that for sure. And then by Saturday the 26th, we're out in voodoo land, but looks like high pressure takes control of our weather again. Temperatures off the GFS look like this. Tomorrow will be a beautiful day. We'll be generally trending downward in temperatures for the rest of the week. 60s for the high on Thursday. Then another warm up through the weekend into the early part of the week, and the next front moves in. GFS calling for temperatures in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees that Wednesday, the 23rd and 24th. And as we head out toward the end of the month, Halloween, temperatures on the cool side around 70 for the highs, overnight lows in the 50s. Could see some frost in there around that 23rd, 24th range. Well, that's your weather video for this Sunday, the 13th of October. James will be back for 2 days tomorrow. Scott will be here Saturday. I'll be back next Sunday. And until then, as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky because you'll always have something fun to look at.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.